I'll hold my breath. Maybe I will turn bright red. Maybe my lungs will cave in. I'm a numbness will loosen its grip. 'Cause I forget what it feels like to be lit, what it feels like to have a breath of life underneath your skin. Oh, it sounds in my heartbeat that reminds me that I'm alive. Oh, now I can't feel anything. I can't feel anything. I can hear my heart sing out beat. Oh, but does it mean a thing? Or is it just playing along to make my body feel complete? 'Cause all I want right now is for you to erupt and for your love to cover me up. Make me feel it now. Oh, it's the sound of my heartbeat that reminds me that I'm alive. 'Cause right now I can't feel anything. Oh, oh, oh. You gotta believe me, I'm trying. 'Cause right now I can't feel anything at all. Gives me life in this moment. I wanna say I'm sorry for letting this numbness overtake me. But I don't wanna be alone in this moment. I wanna breathe you into my lungs and feel your warmth through my veins. And I just want truly alive. Oh, it's the sounds of my heartbeat that reminds me that I'm alive. Just right now I can't feel anything. Oh, 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 you gotta believe me, I'm trying. Just right now I can't feel anything. Sounds of my heartbeat that reminds me that I'm alive. Since right now I can't feel anything. Oh, 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 you gotta believe me, I'm trying. Oh, right now I can't feel anything at all. Thanks a lot, guys. Or the Radiance Effect.